After meeting with a new client about their prenuptial agreement, a common question is, great, now how do I broach the subject with my partner? Well, if you've been thinking of raising the issue of a prenup with your partner, you may be hesitating because it feels like such a difficult conversation to have. But I'm here to tell you that the longer you put it off, the more difficult it will become. Here are some tips for how to bring up the topic without causing major upset in your relationship. First, it's best to bring it up early in your engagement, if not even before you get engaged. We suggest starting the conversation at least 6 months before the wedding date. This will give your partner time to think about what they want and need and give them time to consider their options without the stress of the wedding weighing on them. Approach the conversation with a calm and respectful tone. Be open and honest about why you think a prenup is important and explain that it's not about mistrust or lack of faith in the relationship. All marriages end, whether by death or divorce. Explain that a prenup can provide protection for both parties under either of those circumstances. In the case of divorce, prenuptial agreements will help to simplify the process and avoid lengthy and costly legal battles. Present the idea of a prenup as something that will be beneficial to both of you. Explain that it's important for both parties to be protected financially and that creating a prenup can be a way to ensure that you both feel secure and supported. If this conversation feels too difficult to have on your own, consider working with a couples therapist to help facilitate the conversation. A therapist can help guide the discussion in a productive and respectful way. Remember that having a conversation about a prenup is not an indication that your relationship is in trouble. It's simply a way to ensure that both parties are protected financially and that the future of your relationship is secure. To find out more about prenuptial agreements and discuss how you can raise this sensitive issue with your partner, visit vacalaw.com and schedule a free introductory call.